Alrighty guys, well welcome back to the shop. I am George and this is You Want to Watch. You ready to get into this tool medley? I know I am. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. You know what guys, it just occurred to me. I don't think I ever filmed the stove. Right now I'm heating up some water. I'm going to boil it up and make me some coffee. But I didn't show you guys the stove running. There she is. It heats the shop up nice. This morning when I came in, it was 21 degrees in here. Now we're up to 52, and that's about an hour and 15 minutes. So, not bad. I'll probably get it up to about 75 degrees in here by, you know, when it's all said and done. By then, I will have a, woo, that's hot. Nice cup of coffee. And we are boiling. Are we? Yes, we're boiling. Let's get the coffee dropped down in there. Cool. We'll have coffee in a couple of minutes. Ready. Well, I'm not going to bust out a bunch of cream and sugar. What I'm going to do is add a cocoa packet to my coffee. I usually have a hot chocolate coffee every Sunday. So this isn't out of the norm for me to do this. I do love hot chocolate and I do love coffee, so. Oh yeah. Perfect. I'm using my Shedman X tumbler that he sent me. Mark, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Oh, that's hot. But that's good. Chocolate coffee. Awesome. Alrighty guys, well these tools that are sitting in front of you, this is what we're going to clean up today and get it looking the best that we can. First is a Billings and Spencer adjustable. This is, it kind of looks like one of the King Dick wrenches. So I'm quite eager to get that one cleaned up and looking the best we can. Next I got 3 hex drives. I always call these Allen keys. And it's funny because the name is written right on the handle, Allen. So I think these will clean up very nice. Maybe that's a geographic thing because I know a lot of guys in my area, they call these Allen keys. But I've had a lot of comments in the past saying hex. But anyway, I think it's a geographic thing. And anyway, I think these are pretty cool and I'd really like to get these cleaned up. And last but not least, I've got this Italian pair of garden shears. I want to get these cleaned up and looking the best we can as well. So, you know, spring's coming. Got to think about that. So, get these going and, yeah. I guess we'll start on the wire wheel with this one. Well, I'm gonna have to find that one. Alrighty guys, we're gonna get all this thrown in the deox. Hopefully we can get some good coverage on this. Looks like it will, with the exception of the very smallest bit of the handle. I know all this stuff will fit in there just fine, but there we go. We are in there. Every bit of it's in there. So we'll let that sit overnight and we will pick this back up tomorrow morning. So hopefully by then I can find that little adjustment and throw it in here as well. So catch up with you guys tomorrow. Alrighty guys, well, it is right after work. It's about a week later. I'm just now getting back to this. We've been slammed at work, so haven't had much time for anything else. Pull all this out of the deox. We can start cleaning this stuff up. Nice. Let's get that out of the way. That out of the way. Yeah, so like I said, this stuff has been sitting in the deox for about a week. I wish I could have gotten to it a little bit sooner, but gotta pay the bills, right boys? I can get a pretty good look at these threads now, at least. Oh yeah, the threads are in good shape. Good. Nice. Thumb wheel came out nice and clean. The little T handles here for those Allen keys, they came out really nice. That's much better. These you couldn't read anything on. I'm going to finish getting the grit and the grime out of these, and then we're going to throw this stuff on the wire wheel. So give me a minute. Excuse me. Alright guys, what I think I'm going to do is Satin Spring Grass. This is a Krylon Fusion. Let's give it a shot. See what it looks like. Well, I can't find a paintbrush, but I did find a flux brush, so that's what I'm going to use. Hopefully it works. I don't see why it wouldn't. Am I worrying about contaminating this stuff? Absolutely not. Hopefully that's showing up. Can you guys see the different colors in there? Oh, I do like that. I think Chrissy will really like using this pair this year. And if she doesn't like them, then I'll wind up using them to prune our fruit trees. Yeah, I like these a lot. They got a good weight to them too. Cool. Happy with that. Real happy with that. Alrighty. Well, the handles are all painted. I went with the grass green. I think they came out pretty good. Quite happy with that. Let's get the bulk of this oil off these hex keys. In this case, Allen keys. Most excellent. Tighten these little set screws up. Nice. Still a trace of oil on that one. Right. Wow, they cleaned up pretty good. I like that. The little Billings wrench, this thing cleaned up perfect. Look how easy it moves. That's cool. I like that. And of course, the Italian shears, garden shears. put one little thin coat of liquid blue on there just to give me that look. I think it came out pretty good. That's it for this one. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this tool medley. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.